My name is Samira Brawner. I'm a certified ethical hacker, and I'm from the United States. A little bit about my background. I currently work for Fulton County Government Center with over 6 years of experience in cybersecurity. I'm a security engineer. Also, I supported 15 government agencies during the 2019 Super Bowl. I'm responsible for making sure the whole entire county get trained for security awareness. It's very imperative for your users to understand cybersecurity because every single user is a frontline defense. So security does not just start with the security department. It's actually start with the whole entire county users. Anybody that touches the system is responsible for security. So I make sure that the whole entire county get trained to understand security, and also responsible for training and development for whether capstones, interns, or anybody that's like interested in cybersecurity, and all types of programs that we have, training programs that we have in the county. Also, a part of my daily activities includes, making sure that systems and softwares don't have like no threats and vulnerabilities, and coming up ways, countermeasures to actually, prevent that. So, it's a lot of things that I do like on a daily basis, and I'm also like a firewall engineer as well. So I do a lot of troubleshooting, configurations, deployments, adding ports, enumerations. I guess I do a lot on my daily tasks. I don't think I can sum it up, but the main reason why how I got into the security program is, I always had an interest in cybersecurity from when I was little. I always had an interest. I want to understand how bad actors think. I want to understand like why, what are their motives for actually hacking companies, whether it's financial gain, political, hacktivists, or why would they cause companies harm? And I also wanted to be a part of how can I defend the frontline defense, or prevent this from happening. And one way is you got to understand how bad actors think. You got to understand how hackers think, because they're up 24/7, studying new technologies and ways to hack companies, and or gain like whether it's financial, or most of the time it's financial, or it could be political gain, but it's no telling. So I got into cybersecurity because I want to defend and protect companies and prevent cyber attacks from happening. So, and also, I was very anxious to get certified in security. So it was interesting to me, learn about the CEH program and also getting certified. So that really did help me out a lot. I was introduced to CEH by the county, which is my job. And my manager, he always encouraged the teams, make sure, we stay updated on our certifications. I'm going to introduce to y'all CEH. I'm like, cool, because, I've been heard about CEH, and I always wanted to get certified in CEH. So I was actually happy about that. And I'm so glad that he selected that, because I learned so much. I learned about like different types of attacks on systems, whether it's operation system attacks, because attackers are search for vulnerabilities in operation systems, application level attacks, misconfigurations, and that's very important, because sometimes when you have like engineers or, configure things in the environment, sometimes people don't have security in mind. So, just to make sure that everybody is updated on whether it's the database department, application department, always tag security team. So like when you are like planning things or configurations, you gotta have security in mind doing things. So I learned so much. But during the time, I was a security analyst, and after I got certified, I was actually able to get promoted, to security engineer, so which is awesome. And so it helped me a lot too, career level. So, I'm so happy. Yes, CEH did help me in a way because I was able to get a promotion, I was able to get higher pay, and I meet company standards. And most jobs, you search for a job, most jobs look for that you have some type of security certification. But I'm so happy that CEH was actually selected for us because one, I always wanted to be CEH certified. And also, I enjoyed the training, so it actually worked out for me. So, I already have a bachelor's degree in information systems and cybersecurity. So, most of this information was taught to me, but in the CEH program, it was a complete refresher. Because sometimes when you go to school, then like years later, you go off to your career, you forget. And information also changes over time. Like for an example, in school, we learned about CIA, which is confidentiality, integrity, and availability. And then in the CEH program, I did not know that they added 2 more to CIA, which is confidentiality and integrity and availability, authenticity, and non-repudiation. I'm like, wow, so now it's 5, added to it. So like this department, I'm like, okay, now I feel like my knowledge has refreshed. And with my peers that has not taken the program, I tried my best to, encourage them. I'm like, hey, try to get your CEH because, there's a lot of information there that, you need to learn. But I make sure that I train and share my knowledge, whatever knowledge that I have, I'm going to share it with my colleagues. Because if one person is like insufficient on a team, it can actually impact the whole entire team. So we want everybody to be like on the same level, and I also try to encourage. But yeah, it definitely impacted me in a positive way. So yes, I was definitely able to give back to the community after I got certified. So I was able to become a mentor. You'd be surprised like how so many people want to understand cybersecurity, get into the program, or with people that's already in the field but kind of new and want to understand. So I was able to train them, help them with their resumes, interview questions or anything like that, and also teach them about cybersecurity and what to expect and how to protect the company from cyber attacks, and what can you do to be an asset to the company. So it benefited me in a positive way, and I also had positive feedback from the the people that I mentored. So I was definitely able to give back, and I'm excited about that. So my favorite part of the training was hands-on elements. We actually performed these tasks in a virtual lab environment, hacking. So that was so fun. We actually went through the process of reconnaissance, scanning, gaining access of systems, maintaining access, and clearing tracks. So that was so fun because, like, was actually hacking, but like in a virtual lab environment. And, I applied some of that knowledge actually hacking, into some of our systems in our virtual lab environment at the job. But it was a 5-day course. I do feel like the 5-day course, it was sufficient, but I kind of like wish it was more like a 10-day course. That way, I have more time to, with the instructor and also, play around the lab a little bit, but overall, I did enjoy the training. The knowledge was sufficient. I love the virtual lab environment because I am a hands-on person, but I wish the course was kind of like, 10 days instead of 5.